will be most amazing, in which there will be competition of Shamir's team versus my Hot Wheel team. So today is the very interesting bonus round. So before starting the bonus round, I will guide you that what are the rules for this bonus round. So let's start.
Guys, in bonus round, one will be mine team and one will be Shamir's team. One car will come from my team and one car will come from Shamir's team. And then there will be competition of both cars in racing, and the one who will win will be having option to replace or exchange any one car from the opponent's team, which will be very interesting.
Guys, yeah, I hope you have understood now that what are the rules for the bonus round. Like for example, if I win, my Hot Wheel win the race, so I will be having option to exchange or replace any car from Shamir's team. Like if my car win, I will give any bad car to Shamir's team and I will take his best car in my team. So it will be very interesting, and if Shamir's win, he will having the same option. So now we are starting. So first of all, let's hear Shamir that which car is coming from his team.
And in my team there is Iron Car, Nike, Dino Car, Yellowstone, Spider Car, Grand Power, Scorpion, Spinner, Turbo, Rig Heat, Thunder, Tooligan, and Dune Chaser. The losers of the previous round, BMW M4 and Flash Drive, they cannot participate anymore. Yes, today from my team, Tooligan is coming.
This is Tooligan, which is having green and yellow color and have a plus behind it. It have big yellow tires and have a real class behind it, which can also be used. It has won many races and it's a very stylish car, and it's having a metal body, and overall it's an amazing Hot Wheel.
Okay guys, from Shamir's team, which car is coming?
Tooligan.
Tooligan is coming. Now let's see which car I am sending today.
Guys, in my team there's Lamborghini Roadster, Prius Bruiser, Rip Rod, Speed Slayer, Ford Mustang, D-Cast, Migrig, Flathead Furry, Zumboot, Fire Blaster, King, Indulge, and the loser of the previous round, Lamborghini Countach, which cannot participate anymore.
So guys, there are good cars in my team, and now I am selecting that which car should I send. Which one? No, this is too long and it has already participated. Yes, guys, today in this match I am sending Ford Mustang.
This is a very famous Hot Wheel, Ford Mustang. It's an antique car and have black and golden tires and have an amazing outlook. It has silver and black color and it's an amazing Hot Wheel. It can achieve high speed and it's an antique car and its model is 1992 and it's considered as a great Hot Wheel.
So guys, both super duper cars are here. Ford Mustang from my team and Tooligan from Shamir's team. So it will be a very tough bonus round. So we are starting now. But before starting the bonus round, let's hear my feelings before the match. Guys, I was waiting from a long time for this opportunity, and today finally is the bonus round. It will be a very interesting contest and I am very excited because it's a golden chance for me. We both are bringing our super duper cars for this bonus round. So it will be a tough competition, and if I win I will have an option to replace one car from Shami's team. So it's a good opportunity for me. I'm very excited and I can't wait for the race. So I hope it will be a good tough competition and I hope I will win this match. Thank you. Okay guys, so I'm so excited. Now let's hear Shami's feeling before the bonus round.
Today is the bonus round and I am so excited, and it will be a very tough competition, and because Bhai has good cars, so I will try my best to win this match. Thank you.
Okay guys, so we both are very excited. So now we are moving to the track for the most deciding race of bonus round. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's move to the track for the race of bonus round.
So guys, here is our track. This is a very long track and it is having the height which can make cars achieve high speed. So cars will start from the top and they will end at the bottom. So let's see who will win.
Shami's car Tuligan. So we didn't do the third round because Shami's car won the 2 rounds. So Shami is the winner of today's bonus round. Woo! Oh no. Okay guys, so you know what is it time for. Now it is the main thing. Shami is now having option to replace any one car from my team. Oh no. Okay, so let's see which car is Shami replacing today.
Guys, after winning the match, I am taking his best car, Speed Slayer, and giving him my loser car, Scorpion.
Oh no guys, Shami has taken my best car, Speed Slayer. And he has given me his very loser car, Scorpion. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's bonus round. It was a very tough match and now Shami has taken my best car, Speed Slayer, and Nayan have given me his loser car, Scorpion. Okay, but it was a good game and now Shami is having more chance to winning the Hot Wheels series. Okay guys, so we will see you in the next part of our Hot Wheels series. So for that, subscribe our channel and like the video. Goodbye.